In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan a cruise trip using Travefy. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first cruise, Travefy can make the process simple and organized. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to creating a seamless cruise itinerary. First, you'll want to start by opening Travefy and navigating to the workspace where you can see the existing trips. Once there, look for the Add New option. Clicking on this will allow you to add a new element to your travel plans. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Itinerary. This is where all the magic happens as you start piecing together your cruise adventure. Next, click on Create New Itinerary. This action prompts the system to set up a blank itinerary structure for your trip. After your new itinerary is established, you'll want to customize it to fit your plans. Click on Edit and then proceed to the section labeled Day 1, since this is typically where you'll begin planning. Once you've selected the first day of your cruise, you'll see an option to set the start date. This is essential in order to anchor your itinerary around specific dates. Click the date you have in mind from the calendar and confirm your selection by clicking Done. As you continue, it's time to enrich your itinerary by starting your collection of saved content and events. This feature allows you to gather all the potential activities you're interested in and easily incorporate them into your schedule. Click on the option to start building your library. This is a useful step as it allows you to have a ready collection of events that can be used across multiple itineraries in the future. With your library set, it's time to add events. Start by clicking on New Event and selecting the type of event you'd like to add. For instance, you might begin with an activity. Click on it and add a relevant title like Welcome to Your Destination. Titles are crucial for making your itinerary easy to read at a glance. If you want to make things visually appealing, click to add photos or videos related to your activity. Pictures enhance the itinerary by providing context and excitement for each event. Next, type in any highlights or key points you want to remember and click to save each entry to ensure your changes are properly recorded. For those looking to attach important documents, the Attach Documents feature is particularly handy. Here, you'll have the space to add any travel documents directly into your itinerary for easy access. Continue by entering the location for each event or gathering, making sure to verify the accuracy to keep your trip organized. If your plan includes stops like a beach resort or another specific location, select the most fitting option based on your destination. Once happy with your selections, click Done to finalize each entry. To round out your itinerary, consider adding new days or events, such as lodging information. You can manually input details or select from pre-existing options, which is useful for covering all aspects of your cruise experience. Finally, you have the option to craft and export your entire itinerary as a PDF. Simply click on PDF, followed by Create a PDF, and finally, download your detailed itinerary, and there you have it. A full cruise itinerary planned effortlessly with Travefy. Remember, with every click and entry, you're one step closer to your dream vacation. Happy planning!